in the case of Mr. Ronaldo Valdez, that I learned that he had prostate cancer. So if his cancer is malignant or he has to live 6 months to 1 year, there are 5 stages that the nursing assistant or the caregiver will be handled for this patient. Number 1, denial. 2nd, anger. 3rd, bargaining. 4, depression. And 5, acceptance. So if ever he have the caregiver that is taking care of him, that caregiver will explain, caregiver nursing assistant will explain how to handle this one and how to handle this kind of patient have cancer.